Now the lesson number 5, the way the world looks. Gappu's air journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went up and touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day what he did, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from above. You can see that mouse named Gappu, and सब बच्चे all children were playing with this balloon and they were kicked. तो बलून जो था वो गैस का था, तो वो क्या हुआ, ऊपर जाकर छत पर टिक जाता था. तो the mouse was shocked. So what he did, next day उसने क्या किया, catch that thread and he also went here, and from that he sing that fan. और फिर उसने कहा, ओ इस पंखे की ब्लेड नीचे से साफ है पर यहाँ पर कितनी सारी गंदगी है. ओ देयर इज सो मच डर्ट ऑन दिस ब्लेड्स फ्रॉम बिलो, दे लुक सो क्लीन. ओके, नाउ ड्रॉ हाउ द फैन लुक्स फ्रॉम बिलो. Do this work only at present in your rough notebook, okay? कि यहाँ से कैसा दिखता है फैन, आपको वो. Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. तो जब ऊपर पे रहते हैं, when you are looking from the top, so we can imagine ना, if we are in the 3rd floor on the road, if we see the person's height look very small. Okay, तो यहाँ से गप्पू सब देख पा रहा था कि गप्पू looked down, he could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. Look for these things in the foot. That stupid Chinky is looking for cheese. Can't even see it is kept on the top of the jug. From here, you can see the mouse. वो कह रहा है चिंकी जो है वो चीज की तरफ देख रही है. Can't even see it is kept on the, वो क्यों नहीं देख पा रही है कि ये जग के ऊपर है, क्योंकि ये ऊपर से देख रहा है और वो वहां नीचे से दिखाई देने पर ये नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है कि चीज जो है वो जग में है. ओके, नाउ कैन यू थिंक व्हाई गप्पू कुड सी द चीज ऑन द जग बट चिंकी कुड नॉट. व्हाई? बिकॉज गप्पू वाज ऑन द फैन, blades of fan. So from the height he was able to see. Just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. हवा चली और बलून बाहर खिड़की से चला गया. The balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. When I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks so small. How is that? From the height, if we see on the earth, the things look like very small. As he went higher, he could see things around his house, the park, the Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. गप्पू तो ऊंचाई पे है, वो वहां से सब देख रहा है कि अरे ओके, ये गुरुद्वारा, ये पार्क है, ये रेलवे लाइन, ओ स्वीट शॉप इज देयर, और सुहासिनी का घर भी. देन ही इज थिंकिंग, what is that on the railway track? He is watching from the height, certain height. He is very high. Oh, that fat cat Monty. Oh, from here it looks like a big white mouse. क्योंकि वो छोटी दिखाई दे रही है हाइट से. This must be the Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day. He is talking himself. I did not know there is a sweet shop here. Yummy. Okay, so story is like that. ऊंचाई से हर जो चीज देखते हैं वो हमें बहुत छोटी नजर आती है. जैसे हम यहाँ से जब आकाश में हमें वो जो छोटे छोटे स्टार्स दिखाई देते हैं, एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट सो स्मॉल. बिकॉज ऑफ डिस्टेंस इट लुक्स लाइक. Now see at page number 54 when the Gappu fell down from the top. When Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. And he was thinking railway track is looking like a lunch box. Okay. Now see next page. But when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. From here you can see. It is wide, 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 then narrow, 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 narrow. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. So he is thinking, Gappu is thinking that when I was on the top, the railway track was looking like a lunchbox, and if I am seeing from here, from the side, the railway track is looking like a. Look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. Look at these pictures and discuss why the things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. You can see here, because we have changed the side. If we'll change the side, the things will be looking like a different. Made two views of the same pose. Okay, this is a top view of a girl in the yoga pose. From the top, the girl is taking practice of yoga, and from the top, if we are seeing, the girl is looking like this. Its right hand, left leg is folded, right hand is here. Only one of the photos below is the correct. Match of the same yoga pose, mark it. Okay. Right hand side. So right hand side and left leg. Okay. Now right hand side, but leg is not in that position. Here is left hand side, here is also. Though these three photos are not matching with this pose, but this and this is the same pose. So tick the correct mark. Okay.